So, what the halo are they up to today? We're making Cowgirl Candy. I need to clean these because I don't like the roots on them, the root ends. And Dagny has already cut up and chopped all the jalapenos. We're going to put them just about half and half in these cup glass jars. I'm going to use a food processor and we're going to make them kind of, what do you call them? Chopped. Chopped! Indeed. Chopped. So I'll see you in a minute. We decided instead of putting whole garlics into the jalapenos, that we would quasi-chop it. Instead of just trying to eat a mouthful of something. I think that's it. What do you think? I think it looks pretty good. And now we're going to do the jalapenos. Kind of the same way. If we can stand the smell in here. Let's see what happens. There's roughly half. I think, oh yeah, that's good. What do you think?
I think perfect.
Okay, let's get the second batch going. Oh, on 1870s homestead, Sarah made some cowboy candy. And she had her hands in the jalapenos all day. By the time night came around, her hands were on fire. She didn't even sleep with her husband that night because she was afraid to keep him up. And by the wee hours of the morning, she had decided to get out of bed and go to the emergency room because her hands would not, they were just on fire. Well, she got up, she had to go to pee before she left. As she was going pee, she thought, well, that's the only thing I haven't tried. So she peed on her hands. And it was instant relief. Washed up, went to bed, and slept like a baby. I think that's cool. Visit her at her 1870s homestead. So here's what I'm gonna fill into our little cup-sized jars. And with the brine. I don't know what the brine is right now. I've got to go look it up. It's my special brine. Look at that. God, it looks like we got more garlic than jalapenos, Dags. Oh, by the way, it wasn't Sarah at 1870s homestead. Rachel. I have a knack for renaming people. Okay, here's the brine mix. It is 6 cups of sugar, 6 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 2 cups of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons celery seed, 2 teaspoons mustard seed, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and a little over 3/4 of a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now, if you want to start drinking early, figure out how to increase or decrease a recipe with Dagny. Guaranteed to get you running for the hills. Now I'm going to stir this until it all melts down. We're going to do a taste test. Now this brine is for 6 cups of Cowboy Candy. So 6 cups. I think that's a half a pint jar. Yeah. 16. What was it? Dang me. It's for 16 of those jelly jars. I think they're 8 ounces.
Yeah.
Okay.
Half pints.
Half pints. I can't get my head around proper measurements. I am so measuring impaired. It's probably why I'm a good chef. Because I don't measure anything. Okay, so I'll see you back here when this is ready to taste. And I have to call Dagny for that. Okay, I've started this 3 times already. First time I screamed because I burned my finger in the pan. Next one I wasn't even filming where I thought. I got this god-awful huge ladle. I guess that's what I need for this little bit of juice.
That's what works good.
For who? Do we have a smaller one?
Here, try the soup ladle.
Oh, I know. Would you get the one in this drawer? Just for topping off, you know?
Okay.
Well, this stuff smells good. I think it.
You're
I
welcome.
think Dagny tasted it. I'm not certain.
Yep. Tastes good too.
Go away. I will put the revised brine on this in the description box. Oops, I already got that one. Got that one. So what are you doing? Taking them?
No, just trying to get these.
This is why we don't work well together.
Taking anything. You're filling and debubbling, and then we'll top them off.
Put them over when you want them topped off. Thank you.
You're welcome.
These are 1/2 inch headspace. Space. Got to really pay attention to this debubbling and stuff because
That one seems a little full.
what?
This one seems a little full. Actually, they seem quite good.
These are going to be sticky. They need wiped off.
I know.
Put them in that
And
pan.
then I need to wipe the counter good because it's
Well, not until we get this mess done up here.
stained. Just a little bit more here.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, jeez. Why didn't I put the towel down, I wonder? I picked it up.
I don't know.
Who knows? You see some of that floating?
Oh, look at it float up. Float.
Okay. It is going to be beer time in 2 shakes. Or my killer coffee. You clean over here?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so our Cowgirl Candy's done, and I asked Morgan, does she want a picture of my beautifully clean water? She
Nice.
says not necessary.
We always have clean water.
One little candy.
The noise you hear in the background is our dehydrators.
Doing celery.
Because we found out just how spectacular celery powder is. So, they look good.
You sure do.
So there you see it. And we got 8 of them. I can't even talk.